So we actually practice every Monday from when we started the whole process, which was about, I think, February time, where we started to build our map. So I have to give it to the students. They did most of the heavy lifting. They created the world. I just processed it and submitted it. So it was all they're doing. It was exciting, nerve-wracking, of course, because we wanted to win. We were excited to give our best, and it ended up very positive. See, we had one team go to the final, and they won the whole tournament, so that's exciting for the students.